Hey. Where's the lid? Nana. You got bedhead, huh, baby?
She's all posing.
And me too.
You're posing?
Choo-choo! All right. I see Papa, so we can go on the choo-choo, okay? Say hi.
Hi.
Say come back.
It's not hot, baby.
You do have bedhead, huh, mijo? Huh?
Tony. There goes Grandpa. You was asking for him, buddy.
What?
Was he here? Who was you saying was here?
Oh, his family. Like, it's his grandma's brother, I guess his uncle,
Oh, yeah?
and then his cousin.
Hmm.
Yeah, they noticed it. And I realized when I looked, it's, not you guys. They wanted to see Tony. It's like, well, he's over there. Do it. Let me guess.
Grandpa.
What, mijo? You want some more? Hold on.
One more?
Hey, what are you doing, boy?
Don't get Grandpa's phone.
Like this. Cheese. They batter up. Hmm?
No.
Hey, no. Thank you. Ooh, you're a buckethead today. Ha ha ha.
There's more.
Ooh, you put it all?
Yeah.
Oh, Tone. Is that good, baby? Nana. Is that good, Papa? Hmm? What, mijo? Ketchup?
Why are you being so mean? Huh? He's always trying to bite me.
Hey, 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 hey. Want me to go get some more, Papa?